Okay, video number 4. Still talking about the third day that I was there, adding on to my experience. This topic is going to be about stereotypes, and like how gender plays into that. But I thought it was interesting. We started out our first activity after we came back in from Marathon Club, and after we all met in the gym, and then the groups broke out into small activities, and so they had a whole bunch of options because it was Fun Friday. Well, for that Wednesday, because they don't have school Thursday or Friday this week, so they did their Fun Friday on Wednesday. So, but what I thought was cool about it is that they had options to do multiple activities. They could either go watch the movie, they could go outside and play, or they can play in the gym, or there was one group that was inside the cafeteria where they were eating cake or coloring or doing other things. And so just a lot of variety of things to do. And I was kind of all over the place, so I kind of like helped all the group leaders and kind of worked around a little bit, which has been fun. So I had the opportunity to work with all the group leaders so far. But one thing I noticed is when I was sitting down and I was coloring with some of the kids, you notice that when they pick out certain colors, they tend to pick colors based on what they think is like the gender type colors. So girls picking out pink or purple, which actually happens, and boys picking out blue or green or red or whatever. And actually, without even like trying to focus on it, but the kids kind of brought up the conversation. They're like, yeah, this is boys colors, and oh, you have girls colors. And so I just thought that was interesting how kids have these stereotypes about gender and like what gender means or whatever, and how colors have to deal with gender, which, you know, at that age they're like first graders or second graders, and they don't quite understand that like any color, I mean, colors don't really pertain to any of that, but there's still that stereotype. So, you know, like when there's like a surprise, you know, like a baby shower, and if it's a boy, so they're supposed to have blue colors, or a girl, they're supposed to have pink. And so that's just kind of like what runs through a kid's mind when they automatically think of colors, they associate it with something. So but yeah, I just thought that was interesting how just doing that one activity where we were coloring, they were able to take that and then associate that with their own ideas and their own stereotypes. So that's my 4th video talking about how stereotypes relates to gender and vice versa.